Let's do a cold start video. I drove her last night. She'd been sitting all night. 99 Z28 LS1. Spintech muffler I got for free. Stock, everything else except for K&N cold air intake, that's not stock. And I mean, I put a SS spoiler on it, aftermarket one, cheap. I couldn't find a black one cheap that's OEM. I need to get new rims. I parked in the grass because there was no parking. That thing is quiet. 1999 with 91,000 miles. As of today, 91,000 and some change. Convertible. It's dirty. There's like little fuzzy things all over it. I got these freaking mats. Chilling, still cold, warm up. Oh, there's a fly in here. Peace out. Bill Dunn Entertainment. 1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. LS1 power, baby.